Good morning. It is another new week at the Hyatt House. It is a beautiful day. It's a little cold and a little windy, but it's gorgeous. And we're working. We've got the guys here working on paint. Our electricians are here. So we are getting lots and lots of details done. And every day we are one step closer to finishing the Hyatt House.
On the third floor in the bedroom, these guys have been working all day with the shop vac and the scrub brush, and they are scrubbing down these old joists, beams, trusses, whatever you want to call them. We are scrubbing them down, so they're just getting all of the dirt and debris and cobwebs off. And we think this may be enough that we don't even need to sand them. You guys remember a little while ago, I told you that the HVAC guys came out and bent that copper pipe just a little bit for me on the third floor. And I told you we had an idea. Well, this is the makings of that idea. Stay tuned to see what this is going to become. All right, we're on the third floor. You know, we've been talking about what's going in this little closet right here. This is going in there. But before I show you this, let's back up way back to when we had this idea. All right, we have been having an all hands on deck team meeting to figure out this closet. You remember, this is what started out as this big closet for the upstairs suite, and HVAC just took over it. So we've been trying to figure out, how do we insulate it? Do we drop the ceiling? And my man, Donza, who doesn't want to be on the internet, there he is. He's on the internet now. He had an amazing idea. We're going to put Jesus and his skills together. We are going to build a piece of furniture that's like a closet that's going to slide into this space. And then it's going to be just small enough to slide out of the door, and you can access all that stuff. So, teamwork between Gio and Donza and me and Jesus, who now has work to do. We have figured this out. So stay tuned, and hopefully this plan works. So the cabinet is pretty much built. We have left almost like a false bottom. The bottom has been raised up a little bit, and that's because our casters are going to go there. You won't see the casters, but it will slide in and out. And if all goes as planned, it's going to slide right inside here. It's going to be just the right size to fit through this door. And when you open this door, it'll look like a nice, neat closet. And then on the rare occasion when you need to access your HVAC units, then you can just roll it out. You could also use this for that storage that you keep that you're never going to need, because there will be a little bit of storage back here because it turns and goes back. But the main thing is now you're going to have a closet and you don't have to look at all that ugly stuff all the time. Here's something else exciting. Our fantastic electricians are here. We are starting to get receptacles. We are getting our can lights. And then we're going to start hanging our light fixtures. So I think that's literally right over there is the very first receptacle going into the house. Little things happening everywhere. You saw that the electricians had started in the bedroom. They've made their way all the way out. The entire third floor is wired up. We've got switches, we've got can lights, we've got receptacles. The only thing not in here right now is our vanity light in here, but we've got our vent in the bathroom. But we are very, very close. So almost ready to move to the second floor. I showed you that our electricians had started working yesterday and that they had gotten all of our receptacles and switches in, and now they're starting with some lighting. Gosh, y'all, nothing makes a difference in a house like lighting and sanding hardwood floors. So we've got this one in the landing. We've got that one there in the main bedroom. Or no, not the main bedroom, second bedroom. But we also have one in the main bedroom. Let's go check that out. Oh, we've got our can lights in here and a fixture there. Things are coming together. In the main bathroom, we have a can fan and just a regular recessed can. We don't have our vanity light up here yet. That should be soon. You guys know that there's nothing level in this house, and that includes these light fixtures. I don't know if you can see that, but they want to hang just a little bit crooked, so we're gonna have to get some weights and weight those down so that they hang level to the eye. So here is our closet, and Jesus is gonna demonstrate how. It's got casters at the bottom, it rolls out, and you can get back in there to access the air handler and all of that. We've got a switch back here, or a plug back here, and a light. We're gonna put a stopper. So the ductwork stops it on that corner, but we're gonna put a stopper back here to stop it there, so when it goes in, it stays square. But all we need now is a little caulk and some paint. And we have a closet, a nice little neat closet for the third floor. We also have this closet over here, and we got the rod and a shelf in there. It's a closet. All right, y'all, I was sitting on the porch and I stood up and I looked, and holy moly, there is power. Is that the first light to burn since like 1967? Quite possibly. We don't know, but look at that. There's light on in the Hyatt House. So I got so excited about the power that I was leaning up against the store, which is got a coat of Kills on it. I got Kills all over my new coat. Hopefully I got it all off. But anyway, there's power. There's power in the hallway. There's power in the parlor. I bet we can get power in the kitchen. We'll see about these can lights. Holy moly, that's power, folks. Paint on my jacket, power on the walls. Oh, do you hear the smoke detectors beeping? Yep. Okay, y'all, so the third floor is basically finished. The paper is off, which I love. We can see these pretty floors. But what I wanted to show you is our final product for our closet. So you remember way back, gosh, months and months and months ago, we installed these 2 pocket doors. And now, if you open this one, at first glance, it's just a closet. You got a rod and a shelf, good little closet. But it's hard to do with one hand, but this rolls right out. I'm scraping over there because I'm trying to do it with one hand. But I'm gonna roll this out and show you exactly how it's working. These smoke detectors, you've probably heard them in my videos. They're driving me crazy. That's because we had to turn the power off every night when we left. But power is on now, and it's just gonna take these little guys a minute to get caught up with themselves. So hopefully that one's gonna quit beeping very, very soon. So I wanted to show you one final time. Here is our closet. Behind that is all of our HVAC equipment and a little bit of storage back there behind that. So this closet rolls right back in there, and you only have to access that back there when you need it. The rest of the time, it's a good sized closet. All right, folks, we are wrapping up another busy and productive week at the Hyatt House. You know the drill, little tiny details, little things that are coming along to make this house a home. So come back next week, see what else we're doing, see what's happening at the Hyatt House.